Jungle.
Hi, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to model this file, new, and go with part. Choose one of the planes, press sketch and start drawings. This will be 672 and this will be 198 and go with fit. Radius will be 61. And now we need to draw two circles in the center. This will be 22.1 and this will be 19.3. Then press OK, go to sweep and choose this. Now we need to draw on the front plane. Draw a circle. The distance will be 127 and the diameter will be 6.1 and will be in the center of the draw like this, and go with coincident. Extrude cut through all both. And now we need to add a plane. Will be here and front plane. Degree will be 35. That's good. Go to sketch. On the center, this will be 6.1 and the distance is 195. This will be in the center, so we make it horizontal. Extrude cut through all both. Now we need to draw another circle in the same plane. Go to plane, sketch, or you can do it in the previous step. This will be 25.4 and this will be 9.8. this and this, sorry, this and this are horizontal. Extrude cut through all both. Now we need to make plane here, make it 0. Okay, go to mirror, choose this as a face feature, go to this, or you can choose body. Now we have done the first part.